So what we're going to do is hop into the vehicle. We're going to turn the steering wheel using a Phillips head screwdriver. We're going to go ahead and remove these 4 screws right here. There's a button right here, a plastic retainer. I'm going to kind of get in there with our pick, open that up, and get our trim tool in there. Pop out the center, and then release that clip. Go ahead and set that aside. Now this is the part we're going to be replacing. It's our fender light here. And on the inside, there's these little plastic tabs. There's a little spring tab here, one on the other side, and there's a light connector right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to peel back our fender, our inner liner here. I'm going to reach right up inside. I'm going to reach up inside with our pick, and we're going to press on the little tab on the side right here, and that should release that, and then we'll pop out the back side. And go ahead and pull this out. We have our connector right here. Pinch this tab, remove the harness. Connect your new component. Line up the back section and press in the front. Let's go ahead and press in your fender liner. Pop that back into place. And take your plastic button here, line that up. Get the base in and then snap in the center button. Reinstall your Phillips head screws. I'm going to start all 4 of the screws first, and then I go back and tighten those all down.